In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted TikTok videos. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok and hit on profile icon to open up your profile. Next, hit on three lines icon and select settings and privacy. There, scroll for a bit and select report a problem. And now here click on that icon. There you can left a feedback or you can report a problem. In order to do that, just hit on that icon and describe your problem. There you can write that you accidentally deleted some your TikTok videos and ask TikTok support team to restore that video. After that, hit there on report and wait for some time. TikTok support team will send you email that contains a link. If you open up that link, you will be able to download your recently deleted videos on your smartphone or on your PC or Mac or laptop or whatever. And basically that's it, guys. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.